welcome back to another video, guys. Today we're going to be doing something that's really common on these cars. Audi here sprung a pretty big oil leak. It's coming, you know, of course, from the back side of this guy right here. It's the oil filter housing. The oil cooler goes here. This bolts to the block. Well, anyway, it tends to leak from down here, which is exactly where mine's leaking from. So we're going to replace this. We're also going to replace a couple other small little things. We got a PCV valve, and we got one of these guys here. Wherever it's at, purge valve right here. Got one of them. I replace that too. Just as preventive maintenance, because. Yeah. So we got to get some stuff out of the way to get the dealy deal in the placey place. So. We're going to take off the throttle pipe here. This guy right here. We got the, here actually, let's put some light on the picture. That didn't help at all. That didn't do anything. So, we're going to take off the throttle pipe right here. This is the coupler we got on ours. Take this off, take the whole pipe out of the way. We got to get our bypass valve here off, out of the way. That'll take that whole pipe out of there, and that should pretty much just give us all the room we need to get to all the other bolts that we need to get to. So, without further ado, let's get into that. We'll see. We might have to take the throttle body off. Don't know yet. Don't want to, but we'll see if we have to. Jesus Christ. Family. Throttle body gasket looks good. Probably reuse that. Probably shouldn't. Throttle body is... Jesus! Now that isn't just a testament to water methanol right there.
Dang, that's clean as shit.
Crystal clean. Just taking off the old methanol nozzle here, probably in the very incorrect way, but listen here. Around these parts.
If it works, it's never wrong.
Exactly. The oil cooler out here. This comes off the front. It actually mounts, if you want to look at the new part here. There's a little bit of oil coming out of it, normal. It actually mounts to the front of this right here. I'm not going to put it on yet because I want to clean the oil and stuff off a little bit better first. But clean most of the gasket off here. But yeah, so now all we have left are the 4 outside bolts. There's one here, one up here behind the oil cooler, and then one on the other side here. So we're going to get those off and take this whole assembly out, and yeah, not too bad. Got the old one. This guy here's the old one. The gasket's all flattened out. Doesn't look too hot.
Got some crusties there, some boogies.
Yeah, look, got a little mixture going on there. Whatever. New one here. Looks pretty good. So some new ones made by Euro parts. Some people don't like that. I don't know. I don't see any real big differences here. This looks like it's going to be just an adequate replacement. So. Looks good to me. There we go. Rough right off the bat here. So we got the new oil filter housing in. Yeah, we got no more leaks anymore. That was the initial problem anyways. I had a massive oil leak coming from the front of the engine. Wouldn't you know, gasp, it is this right here. So not the easiest thing to get out, not the hardest thing either, but yeah, definitely make sure you got a good assortment of small tools. you need small tools to get to a lot of stuff on here. But yeah, the new part seems to have taken care of that. You know, if you go with the Euro brand, get yourself a better oil filter than what it comes with for sure. The thing was garbage. Other than that, yeah, I mean, it's a pretty straightforward process. Just make sure you have small tools, small hands, and yeah. Thanks for watching, guys. As always, like, subscribe, and stay tuned for more content. We got other stuff in the works.